Page 24, Yankee Doodle. Here we have a different position, a hand position, a middle C position, but I'll talk about that later. I don't like the charts they provide. Music generally doesn't give you a chart. You got to be able to look at the music and figure out where the hands go, and that's the approach that I use. I look it over, I see it's 2 lines long. It has a repeat sign, but we only have 2 lines of music to learn. Treble and bass clef signs again, 4/4 time signature, and I see quarter notes and half notes. And it looks like the hands are just playing one hand at a time. So I'm going to go ahead and take both hands together at the same time in this video to shorten the video. Otherwise, I'd do it one hand at a time and then put them together. So the right hand starts with thumb on middle C here. That's where the hand goes. And the left hand, when it comes in, at the end of the line, you see second finger on that B. I trust you know the names of the notes in the music. I'm leaving that up to the method book to teach you all that here. So you do that, your left hand is here. Well, that means you're in middle C position where the thumbs are sharing middle C. And it's right hand first, so the left hand's got to get out of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see the idea? So I get the hands working okay. Then I get rid of any hesitations. And again, like everything else in this book so far, you should be able to play this without looking at the keyboard. You want to develop a feel for where your hands are, where your fingers are. Then I think about the articulation. And here they have the 2 measure, or the phrases. It starts lift up, lift up, just a little lift, like taking a breath. Lift up. And the last line, it's all connected. It's all one sentence. Okay, now when you get to the end of the last line and you do the repeat, you lift up like taking a breath. It's the same note you have to lift up anyway, but this is a little longer silence about that. You can tell it. Then I think about the dynamic, and the only one they give you is F for loud, whatever you think loud is, and it's all melody, so it's all loud. Whatever. Speed. This is a happy song. Brightly, it's happy, but it needs to be accurate. That's my brightly right now. With a couple cups of coffee, it would change a little, I'm sure. Doesn't have to go that fast. Doesn't have to be at that loudness. You decide. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm exaggerating them so you can hear them better. But you want to feel these. If you'll feel them, it'll happen on its own. That's why they're called natural accents. So when you're ready, when you have this learning and no hesitations, come back, let's play it together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. I'd say I'm not doing the dynamics, but there aren't really any dynamics to do, so okay. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. There's a duet for this at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that. Now you play what we just played, but I'm going to speed this up quite a bit. About here. 1, 2, 3, 4. speed. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 4. Repeat.